Hey class, it's Monday morning, and believe it or not, we are in our last week. So today I want you to focus on editing your paper and getting it ready for the turn in, which is the final turn in on Tuesday. So Tuesday, May 19th by 11:59, you have to have your paper turned in to me. And this time it's completed. Everything that you're going to put in it for your grade, please go ahead and have that in there. I have a psalm for you. I think it's Psalm 120. So make sure that you read and respond to that by 4 o'clock. That's the attendance marker. And if you're in a good place with your project, your essay part, and you feel confident, then you can start working on your presentation. So I have some of those presentation notes for you as well on the announcements for this week and the assignment today. So you can start working on your presentation. Remember, the presentation can be turned in anytime after Wednesday. The final turn-in date is a week from Tuesday, the 26th, but you do not have to wait that long. You can turn it in anytime between Wednesday and the following Tuesday. And remember, it doesn't have to be 5 to 8 minutes. It can just be 2 to 3 minutes or anywhere around there. If a little longer, that's okay. If you have any specific questions, just let me know. I'm praying for you guys and looking forward to. I've enjoyed reading your rough drafts, so your projects will be in good shape and get your presentations done, and then it'll be good, and we'll have a celebration. All right, so have a great day. Talk to you soon, and thinking about and praying for each one of you. Have a great week. Bye for now.